Good morning, guys. Oh, you okay? Guess he's okay. Yes, sorry I haven't been making videos these past couple weeks. I have no excuse because nothing really has been going on. There's nothing really serious going on. Just quarantine. I'm out of ideas right now. Yes. Don't mind this. This is from the jail. But yeah. Here comes my baby. Say hi. Hi. He is officially crawling the past 2 weeks. So since the beginning of August, he started crawling. Careful, Papa. So yeah, I just want to say that I'm sorry I haven't really been uploading. The last video I made was on my mommy bag, and it is an updated one because someone commented like, again. Hey, I have an 8-month-old now, so things are gonna change in my diaper bag. Well, he's not 8 months yet, but he'll be 8 months on Sunday. And you're gonna be 8 months, which is tomorrow actually. So you guys probably gonna see this tomorrow. So on the 23rd, which will be Sunday 23rd, he'll be 8 months. So yeah, I just want to say I'm sorry for not uploading. I do have some ideas of what I want to make out of my YouTube. See, he just stood up. He just stood up. Oh, careful, Papa. So he's crawling and starting to stand up. With support, of course. So this video is just gonna be right now, obviously the intro of me saying I'm sorry and get Papa. Get. Look. Hi. Hi. So before this little one interrupted, I do wanna why are you getting mad? What'd I do? You are not pooping, sir. Are you pooping? Are you pooping? But yeah, before this little one interrupted, like I said, this video is just me apologizing for not filming, and also it is gonna be a cleaning video. I need to clean my room, so why not record it? Little sister in the back, little baby trying to crawl over me. What? He wants his mama. So yeah, if you guys want to keep watching me clean and also give me ideas. Nathan, what's wrong? Mom life. No me pegues. No me pegues. He's standing up, guys. He's standing up. Mom life. So yeah, just keep watching.